Hey there guys, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so at this point in life guys, I think we can all agree on that most Americans are broke. Broke? What are you talking about? Hold up. Oh crap. Now, even though you may not seem like you're broke, or you see that other people look like they're actually not broke, well, the sad part is guys that they kind of actually are. So in today's video, I'm gonna go over on 5 simple reasons on why most people are actually broke. Now, number 1, the biggest reason of them all guys is that people are spending way too much money on stuff that they cannot afford. Now, I know what you're thinking. If people can afford it, then how the hell do they even have it in the first place? Well, we all know it's a thing called credit cards, right? People take out credit cards in order to purchase things that they cannot even afford right now at the moment. They go and buy expensive designer clothes, they go and buy a brand new car, they go out to eat at all these fancy restaurants, $100 meals. I mean, you're doing all this on a tight budget after spending on bills. If you can't already afford it, then why would you go spend money that you don't even have, right? So it's really important that you realize that you need to stop doing this, guys. You need to stop spending money that you do not have, okay? Because at the end of the month, you're gonna have to repay that money back. And if you don't, well, you're gonna have to pay back with some interest. And if you let this happen every single month, you're gonna be forever paying for these high expenses over time. And next thing you know, 1 month of overspending is gonna turn into 10 years of paying off for just that 1 month. So you can see why people are really broke nowadays. They might not seem like they're broke, but if you look into their bank accounts, I guarantee most people kind of are. Now, number 2, most people don't even make a budget, okay? They don't make a budget and actually stick to it. They don't write down the things that they need and what they want. They don't write down, okay, I made, I don't know, $1,000 this week. Let me write down what we're gonna need and let me calculate all these things and see how much we have left over. That way we can put the rest to invest, right? Invest? What's this guy talking about? I'd rather spend that money on a new shirt. See guys, is this type of thinking that's never gonna get you nowhere with your money. You need to learn how to make a budget, okay? I don't know, make a word spreadsheet, write it on paper, do something, okay? Write down all the bills that you have, set aside a certain amount of money for those bills, put it into your bank account or something, let it sit. That way when the time comes, you pay it off. The remaining money, you do something smart with it, okay? Go invest it or something, guys, okay? Let your money make you more money. Just don't spend every single thing on stuff that you don't need. Now, number 3, people are not investing. And that's just honestly the sad truth, guys, is that most people don't even invest whatsoever. And it's no surprise because, I mean, most Americans don't even have enough money in their bank accounts to cover a $400 emergency. So it's no surprise that they don't invest also. And that's why you'll always constantly kind of be broke, guys, because if you're already doing the other 2 things, and then on top of that, you're not investing, you're not letting your money grow, then you're essentially living paycheck to paycheck, okay? This is not good because if those paychecks were to be cut off all of a sudden, you're not gonna have anything whatsoever to back you up when times like this happen. Thus, it will leave you completely broke, guys, okay? So be sure to, I don't know, pick up a book, watch the channel, watch other YouTube channels or something about investing. That way you can actually start investing, okay? Now, number 4, guys. People like to put their money on luck, okay? And what I mean by this, guys, is it's kind of funny that the people who don't believe investing your money actually works, that it's a myth, are the exact same people who are quick to go buy tickets to win the lottery. I mean, they're literally blowing through their whole paycheck just for a chance to win this huge jackpot. You know who you are. You're the exact ones waiting at QT or something, waiting in line, just in hopes to waste $300 to win, I don't know, $10 million or something, right? Hey, excuse me. Here, just take all my cash, man. Just take it all. And see, guys, people do this, you know, putting their money into luck, such as casinos, lottery tickets, because they believe that they'll end up winning that money with just a little bit of luck and be a huge millionaire or billionaire or whatever it is, okay? When instead, you could have took that money that you wasted and just put it into stocks or something, and it will actually grow for you. But you don't, because you're looking for a get rich quick scheme type of thing, okay? And if you're looking for that type of stuff, well, you're gonna be heading into a huge disappointment doing that, okay, guys? Of course, that's not to say that it's a bad thing to try these things out. I mean, if you can afford a little money to blow it on some of these things, then that's fine. But when you don't have money whatsoever to actually afford to do this, I wouldn't take that risk that much. But again, that's just me. Now, number 5, guys, well, the majority of people are just never taught about money, okay? You're never taught how to use it properly. You're never taught how to invest it properly, okay? Therefore, when you go to college and get this huge paying job, well, instead of putting it into investments that can make your money more money, you go and spend all that money. And this constantly leaves you broke every single week because you're blowing your whole checks and not saving it or investing it at least. But hopefully, if you're subscribed to this channel, you learn a thing or two about investing and saving your money. That way you don't stay completely broke, guys, all right? But these are my 5 reasons why people stay constantly broke, guys, okay? It's because of these 5 things, and when you add all 5 of them into just one person, it's most likely guaranteed that you're gonna stay broke your whole entire life unless you decide to actually do something about it. So with that being said, guys, take the time out of your day right now if you have no money whatsoever, or maybe you actually owe money instead, and start learning about finances, guys, okay? It's so important today to learn about finances. I don't know how many of you actually seen the news lately, but the national debt has actually just hit $4 trillion, guys. $4 trillion. That's a world-breaking number here in the United States. And at the rate these numbers are shooting up the roof, I mean, God, that just shows how much debt people really are in, okay? So that's why it's so important to learn about money. Don't be like everybody else spending money that you do not have, okay, guys? Please do not do that. You have to be able to control yourself and tell yourself, hey, I need to learn these things about money, because if I don't, I'm gonna be financially screwed at the end of the day, okay? So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below, guys. Let me know what you guys think, or better yet, name a reason why you think people are really broke nowadays. Also, if you haven't, be sure to subscribe as well so that you stay notified of more videos just like this, guys, all right? I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.